Dylan, you're a friggin' retard.
So amusing. I can see this doing for like hours as a little kid.
Well, you're 15 years old. 16.
Gopher and then come back and finish building sandcastles.
Dude, you're 16 years old.
I know I'm 16 years old. I'm gonna go fucking trick-or-treating.
Yeah! I'm a construction worker!
I'm building a trench roof.
Castle. Yeah! Castle! Minecraft style! Back into it.
Don't break it.
You can't turn. You're gonna break it with your fat ass.
He's gonna break it.
I'm gonna throw this at you guys. Watch.
That got really far.
Yeah.
No, it didn't. That was like a foot, maybe. It wasn't even a $5 foot long. It sucked that much. Are you done? Don't throw sand.
Fuck you. Not in my eyes.
Ha ha ha! Revenge. Revenge of the shot. I used my force powers.
Fuck that shit.
That was great.